What determines the success of a nonfiction book? Let's go through a quick checklist and see the components that might make or break your book sales. So from my perspective, you have two ways to succeed with your nonfiction book. Either you have an audience and you're driving traffic to the book and you're ranking the book for categories, and you might show up in customer also bought, and Amazon might choose to promote your book, etc., etc. Or your book might have certain keywords that people use on the Amazon website to find books. So when you have an audience, as mentioned, you can get that initial sales boost that will help you to rank in categories. You might also show up for other books related to your books. So on the product page of other books, it might say something like customer also bought, just like on YouTube you have other videos showing up on a video that you're watching. So if you have a book that is related to dog training, for example, then your book might show up under other books related to dog training. If you don't have an audience, then getting that initial sales boost is a little bit trickier. However, if you're using keywords that are in high demand and ideally do not have too much competition, then that is one way that people will find and buy your books. So if you don't have an audience, then having search terms in your title that people use to find books on the topic is one component that will lead to the success of your book. The next thing is, how well does the content resonate with your target audience? So this includes the subtitle, for example. Is it related to what people are looking for? Furthermore, how are the chapter names? Is it related to what people want? And then lastly, the content inside the chapters. Moving on, what will also determine the success of your nonfiction book is how the book is written. Is it grammatically and factually correct? Does it feel like it's written by a human or a robot? If you're doing more low content or medium content books, then the illustrations in your book will play a role. So next we have the book cover. Here we want to look at what is on the cover in terms of the image and the font. Is it relevant to what people expect for these types of books? For example, for kids books, people might expect a certain feeling, but for books for adults or in a more serious nature, they might expect something different. The next thing we want to look at is the description. Does it speak to the problems that the customer is experiencing, and is it easy to scan? Next, we want to look at the marketing strategy for your book, and this includes things such as the amount of reviews, the ratings of the reviews, and also if you're running ads, for example Amazon ads. If you have an audience, then perhaps it includes an email sequence. Now we've covered the components that determines the success of a nonfiction book. In a future video, I will talk about the components that are relevant to a successful self-publishing business. And in that video, it will be a little bit more about mindset, perhaps building an audience, and it will be a little bit longer. But this is a good checklist to have to go through for when you're publishing a book. So if you liked the video, hit the like button. I'll see you in the next one.